So welcome back to my channel. How you guys are? I hope you guys are really safe and doing great in your life. So I'm back with another tutorial today, and in today's tutorial I have came up with this very beautiful colorful and dramatic look. I don't know, but in these quarantine days I am trying really new looks and I'm getting inspired, because I'm at home and nothing to do. So I'm just like exploring my skills in makeup. So I really wanted to do a very colorful look from very long time, and what better time than this. So that is why I came up with this very beautiful pink poppy colorful makeup look, and I went pink on pink. You can definitely switch the lip color according to your choice. As I wanted to play with color, that is why I am going in with this color, but that's totally depends upon you. And I really enjoyed creating this look because this was really new for me, and I really didn't know that how it is. I mean, how it is to be done, because I have never done it before. And at the end, it turned out really good that I cannot take my eyes off from the look. I know I'm praising my own work, but I think it's worth it. And it took me really long time to create it because I was just going back and forth and correcting it, and then wiping it and doing what not to correct it, as this is the first time. But after this, if I try this kind of look more, then I think that would not be a problem, because for the first time, for everything, I think everybody faces problems, and so for me. So yeah, this is the final look, which I really like, and I think you guys gonna love to watch the entire session and what mistakes I made, so that you guys can create this look very easily. So if you really want to know how I have done this makeup step by step, then keep on watching. Then what we are waiting for, let's just get into the video and let's get started. For this makeup look, I am going to do my eyes first, because I'm going to play with color, so that will be having lots of fallouts. To avoid all of that, I am doing my eyes first. But if you are pro at it, you can do the eyes later as well. That's totally up to you. And now, as the base, I am using a liquid lipstick which is by Swiss Beauty, and I'm applying roughly onto the lids and then spreading it with the help of my fingers. And yeah, please ignore my nail paint because it's locked down and I don't have a remover with me. Yeah. And then with the help of a brush, I'm just spreading the product above my crease line and spreading it nicely and blurring out the edges, so the look really looks nice, if that makes sense. And then I'm taking a powder eyeshadow into a brush like this, and then patting it onto the liquid lipstick so that it sticks to the eyeshadow and gives it a more intense look, as you can see. And while I'm patting it, I'm just blending the edges as well. And once I'm done with that, I'm taking a brick red or brick orange color onto the same brush, and then trying to blend both the color together, and again extending it upwards so that there is a smooth transition from pink to orange. And then with a more fluffier brush, I'm just blending out the edges, and into the lid, in the center of my lid, I'm applying this poppy pink fuchsia color directly so that it brings back the intensity and looks more poppy, because that is what I wanted. And then taking some more amount of color and going back and forth, just basically I'm fixing this and making it look more nice. And once I'm happy with the result, I'm just removing any excess product under my eyes with a wet wipe like this. And then I'm gonna directly move on to the primer, and for priming my face, I am using the Smashbox primer, and I've already moisturized my face earlier. And then for the foundation, I'm using this MAC foundation. I'm taking the amount more than the usual because I want a very full coverage, and that is why I'm taking more product. And now I'm just dotting it all over my face and then blending it using this brush. Now to brighten up my under eyes, I'm using this Fit Me concealer and then dotting it under my eyes and the usual areas that needs to be highlighted, and then gonna blend it using this beauty sponge by Blue Heaven. And this one is so good, so spongy, and it doubles up the size of it when you soak it into the water, and it works really good, and the price of it is also very affordable, so everyone can give it a try. And now to set the entire makeup, I'm using this Fit Me Loose powder because I wanted a matte cover, and if you want a dewy look then you should avoid this setting up. And then to complete the eye look, I'm using that brick orange color and then applying it to the lower lash line, and that will be pretty much it for this eye look. This is that easy. In this days of quarantine or quarantine, I am taking most amount of risk by playing with colors and doing like looks that I haven't done before, and in the process of creating those kind of look, I feel like, really, what are you doing? I mean, because I have no freaking idea what am I doing. I mean, how the look is going to turn out. So I'm just really scared if the look would be the same that I have thought about it or not, or I don't know. Now I'm bringing back some color to my face by bronzing my face up using the Wet n Wild contour palette. And I forgot to show you that I've already applied blush to my face more than the usual amount, and then gonna lock everything up using this setting spray by MAC. Now coming back to the eyes, I'm not gonna apply any sort of eyeliner. I'm directly moving on with this mascara, and also I've applied a falsies because this kind of look would not be completed without a falsies. Now finishing off the eye look using this glittery liner, and I'm making a line into the crease line, and you might have seen this kind of eye look before, but I have never tried it, so this is my first time I'm trying something like this, and I pretty much liked it. And I've also applied some amount of highlighter to my face to bring back that naturalness. And for my lip color, I have decided to wear pink on pink, but if you want you can switch up to nude color, that would look perfect as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Here is the final look, and I am already in love with it. Do let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts about this look, and I will be coming up with more tutorials very soon. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all. Mwah. Bye.